Hey guys, we're here with Gleam, and this is Mario, the co-founder of Gleam, and I'm really excited to be showing you this product because I saw it on the internet, actually, I don't know, maybe on Instagram or something like that, and I was like, this thing's amazing, we need this in the US, especially in New York. And so tell me a little bit about this. This is a pretty new company.
Yeah.
You guys are from Vienna, right?
Yeah, we are from Austria, capital city, Vienna, and in the center of Europe, so as we say. And we work together with an Italian partner who is now doing engineering for BMW and so on.
Wow.
And together with them, we have engineered a new tilting cargo bike. You can see it a little bit like it's tilting into corners. You can go on rough terrain, like up and down the sidewalk. You can have like 120 kilos of payload. And it's really fun to drive, but also safe for the cargo and the rear side. So that was important for us.
That's really critical because normally with the three-wheeler, you can quite often, you make a turn like that, you're going over.
Yeah, you are. Or if you go on the sidewalk, you could tip over.
Yeah.
And then here it's really more safe than classic cargo bikes.
Yeah.
And also if we look at the US market, it's like 20 miles per hour and 30 miles per hour. There are two options, like the speed pedelec, as we call them here. And with this, you can go up to 30 miles per hour.
So you can do the speed pedelec on this as well. Yeah, that's great. And it's using the Bosch system. We're a huge fan of that. So
Bosch,
I was excited to see you guys actually introduce with Bosch. It's not so common for a small company to introduce right off the market with Bosch. I mean, how did that happen?
We worked with Bosch. We wanted to work with Bosch from the beginning, but they said like, yeah, it's a startup company that doesn't work. But then they have another like sub-supplier who works now with innovative companies. And this year, actually, Bosch, they have a new cargo line, so they know that their cargo bike market is a market. And so as I think the cooperation or to work with a big company is for us as a startup an advantage, but also for Bosch that there's something developing out of the bike industry going not against maybe the car industry, but cities need new solutions there.
That's absolutely right. And I could just see like some of these elements just really overbuilt, like, you know, some premium mountain bike components on it, like oversized tubing, everything like that. So it's cool. I mean, so you have some engineering background, or?
Yeah, I'm a mechanical engineer. And as I said before, our team and partners in Italy, they come from motorcycle industry. So we kind of know what's necessary for a heavy bike, but it's still lightweight aluminum, so going fast and everything, but you need the robustness, no maintenance, and really can have high payload, so that's really important for us. And that's why we have like the engineering is really going into there. But we have cooperations with partners like designers who can then build customized
just
stuff.
The best in every specific respective. I mean, that was the impression that I got when I initially saw this, that it's like you're really trying to go right for the top in the beginning. And I think that's a smart strategy.
And I mean, you have to drive it. It's really fun to drive. So it's like leaning into corners. It's the feeling of the wind in the air, air, of course. So that's beautiful.
And it's full suspension as well. You have front suspension. I know it's maybe not so clear from the start, but you also have rear suspension on here.
Yeah, we have the front suspension, the standard bike or motorcycle suspension, really stiff. But this is our patent we filed now for. You have an adjustable rear suspension with a torque bar. So it's like in the Formula One industry used, and we use it here on cargo bikes as well. And it's integrated also like in this tilting technology, so you can adjust. You have a single wheel suspension, so that helps to really have a safe space for the cargo.
That's really great. Yeah, I'm looking forward to riding it, and hopefully looking forward to bringing this over to the States.
Yeah, I would love to.
We really need it, and especially for some of these commercial applications. We were just talking through some of these different ideas, and so it's 120 kilogram payload on the rear, so about 260 pounds.
260 pounds.
Somewhere in that area. And one of the applications I can see really clearly is some of these loads which might not be as heavy but very tall.
Yeah.
Because normally that will really, on a three-wheeler, can make it tilt and fall over. But with the tilting ability, it will be a lot more stable.
That's really cool here that you have the flexibility, and the height doesn't matter because of the tilting technology.
Excellent. Do you guys have some sort of set price or concept at the moment? What you're thinking roundabout?
In Europe, we sell it for $6,990.
Okay.
And I think going to the US market, we have to find the right partners.
Sure, yeah, absolutely.
And that's kind of the same price for us over there.
Yeah.
Of course, shipping is, but that's the range.
Logistics
we
is
aim
always
for.
a challenge, yeah.
But especially if we're talking like to B2B, it's always like how fast can you go from A to B, because it's not the price of the product, because more important is how much is the price for a drop cost.
Especially when you're changing out a van, which can cost close to $1,000 a month for all in, you know, not including parking tickets in New York, right?
Yeah, you don't need parking tickets with this one.
Yeah. Cool. Well, thank you so much for your time, and really
Thanks
looking
for stopping
forward
by.
to checking it out some more. So
Awesome.
thanks so much, man.
Thanks, man.
All right. Take care.